Hi Choice Kitchen, Choice fans, Choice friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make banana leaves moimoi. As you can see, I've washed the beans halfway, so now I'm picking the remaining black eye pea of the beans. So I'm going to pick that slowly until the beans is properly cleaned. So if you want to see how I washed these beans, I've got another video I made like 2 years ago, how to clean beans with your blender. So let's dive into the video. So these are my ingredients I'll be using to prepare the moimoi. So you can see my washed beans, dry prawn, tomato, pepper, onions, curry, Maggi cubes, salt, and so on. So right now here is the blended beans. So I'll add my seasoning to the blended beans. So I've just add my seasoning. These are the ingredients I added, such as curry, cumin, salt, Maggi, and oil. So I'll give that a mix and combine together. So friends, I welcome you all again to my page. If it's your first time to my channel, you're highly welcome. You'll love it. Here in this page we cook, family vlogging, outing. Please kindly subscribe, share the video as you watch. So next I'll be wrapping my moimoi into this leaf. So this is the banana leaf. It's well washed and a little bit steamed with hot water. So you'll see how I'm going to demonstrate how to wrap the moimoi into this leaf. So watch. If the banana leaves was very big, I don't need more than one, but because it's not that big, that's why I'm using two. So after bending the leaf, you want to pour your beans into the leaf and add your meat, fish, or egg. So I use egg and dry prawns. So you're gonna fold it into two, push it inside, and then bend it to the back side. And meanwhile, you have your pot with hot water on the fire. So I put it straight away to the fire. So this is the second batch. I'm trying to show you how to wrap it, and then I'll keep on with the other one. So you see how I did it. I push it in and I wrap. So next we're going to be checking on the moimoi to see how it's cooking. So this is the moimoi. It's cooking, but it's not yet done. To call the whole video short, we proceed until when the moimoi is done and ready to be served. So this is the moimoi. It's all cooked, delicious. I bet you can't wait to see. Time to taste. Look at that. It's so delicious. It came out really nice. So yummy. Give it a try. Subscribe to my page. Share my video, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.